time, we see a left entrance for the C-27J Spartan, starts right showing a remarkable climbing right in close quarters. Well, you couldn't dream because the C-27J Spartan dances around despite its sides. Let's pick up the thread of the Biga. The Biga was a small two-horse chariot, as usually mentioned. The Biga was made of two horses, the Quadriga was made of four horses instead. And today the Biga is made of is as follows. The conductor Auriga, the ground operator Gabriele Piccillo, the cameraman Raimondo Stipe, and the 311th Flight Group Commander Lieutenant Colonel Fabio De Michele. A remarkable curriculum, a lot of experience under the belt. He's the director of this old Italian orchestra. C-27J Spartan is the world's most capable twin-engine tactical airlifter. C-130 Hercules' younger brother, much more easy to deploy in terms of cost effectiveness, and that's why it is a new generation tactical airlifter with a great market success with Asian. The first maneuver is going to be a steep descent, which becomes more impressive when carried out facing the audience. She's getting down right in the middle of the display line. Prepared to intervene any time, C-27J Spartan Italian Air Force crew are often summoned up to carry out airdrops to take their support in joint operations. The C-27J Spartan has a large cargo box capable of supporting almost 5 tons per square meter. The aircraft can carry pallets or platforms weighing up to 60,000 kilos or 60 equipped soldiers, 46 fully equipped parachutes, 36 stretchers or other combinations up to 32,500 kilos maximum takeoff weight. And now we see her landing gears fully extended, headlights on, cargo door wide open. The aircraft stabilizer 150 meters has been flying as low as she can, 185 kilometers per hour. Flaps in takeoff position to minimize drag and to reach the adequate lift to grant a safe paratrooper sleep. We'll also take advantage of this low fly past to listen to the commander's voice straight from the cockpit, straight from the flying control room.
3, 2, 1, fight. From the Italian C-27J Spartan, a big hello to our RIAT friends. Ciao.
Thank you, Major. We are the sun shines the blessed breeze of the flight test department emails. 3 records set by our pilots across the history. 3 names, 3 records still unbeaten. A story of achievements. The flight test department has made its challenge projection towards the future. Its reason for life. 1930 flight record in a closed circle. 67 hours. 1934 speed record for a seaplane with piston engine, 709 kilometers per hour. And 1938 flight level record for a piston engine, 17,080 feet. Schneider turn. C-27J Spartan offers high operational effectiveness together with competitive costs, extreme flexibility, the best performance in their category in all conditions, and unique interoperability with larger lifters. In the full cargo configuration, she transports 11.5 tons of materials, such as light and heavy vehicles. In the medevac configuration, which is set to Presidius test of Pratica di Mare Air Base, specialized personnel and medical staff safely evacuate injured or infected personnel. We resort to this configuration more than once during the Ebola outbreak. deployed humanitarian missions to transport goods and drugs to populations in distress. Thanks to their capacity to land in close quarters, small spaces, and on semi-prepared runways, she can face rough terrains of limits to all, but to her. The crew arrives pointing the display line and picks up just after touching the ground, all performed with the highest possible angle of attack, for a maneuver called touch and go, or circuits and bumps. Here again, C-27J Spartan Q. 29-meter wingspan, the Spartan is a twin-engine turboprop tractor lit with state-of-the-art technologies and avionics, propulsion system, and other onboard systems. We are about to witness a steep descent, technique which grants a quick operational landing. It's also an effective way to dodge ground enemy fire. Here we are, we're landing a C-27J Spartan stopped in less than 300 meters. The aircraft can operate from Earth 600-500 meters. And then she goes back in reverse mode. I would like to say a heartfelt thank you to the 311th Flight Squadron Commander, Lieutenant Colonel Fabio De Michele. Thank you, Fabio De Michele. We won't ever forget your remarkable guidance and the way you have brilliantly made it. And to the Major Gianmarco Di Loreto, the next commander of the 311th Flight Squadron, pilot won a winner for the C-27J Spartan. He also first of the 5 pilots. And good luck to you for the next year. That's all for the time being, that's all for the Flight Test Department, Reparto Sperimentale Volo. To you all, arrivederci.